Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today is Saturday. We are still in Whitianga. We are getting ready because we only stay in this apartment for a night. So the night is gone and this place is very nice. This is our second time to stay in the same apartment but different rooms. So far, all of the apartments here are huge. It's really good, ideal for families, and it's better to stay here longer than just one night to get your money worth. So today the forecast is raining around the Coromandel Peninsula, and at the moment that's upstairs for children. At the moment, I'm just preparing my breakfast. Adam made me a coffee. It's almost finished. I really like this kitchen. It's compact and it's fully equipped. And for my breakfast, I'm cooking organic oats with fruits and nuts in it. So I cooked too much, so I got leftover later on. And that's a hot plate in here. Just put this away so I can put some milk. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning.
Just gonna put more milk on my oats. See, I just put it in the water. What do you call it? The heat is just like just like a volcano. Oh my gosh. It's really in a low heat now. This place here, you can cook your food because all you need is here, except the actual food. You know, you have to buy your own food, bring your own food here and stuff.
Actually, in that era, in the late 90s, the cars were super unsafe, so light cars are flying, just the regulations control that.
Okay, I think my oats is cooked. I already put everything in it. I got nuts, sugar, a little bit of sugar, and fruits. And then I'm gonna have to put my banana, organic of course. Okay, I'm gonna put more sugar because I want to be sweet. Then I'm gonna have to put my makeup on, and then we're gonna have to get out of here before 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is our eviction here. 10 o'clock this morning. Like every other accommodations, everywhere, anywhere in the world, you have to leave. So I brought some banana from home. Of course, it's organic. And I'll put my banana here instead of after when I dish it out. I just put my banana. Let's get some spoon. Found it. Breakfast bar, it's good, but you have to go like this because it's too high. The seat's too high. So let's eat. Nice. This seats here so high, so I move at the back on the dining table. So the reason why I'm eating alone, because when I was cooking my oats, Adam already start eating his muesli for his breakfast. So by the time that I finished cooking my breakfast, Adam already finished, and now he's having a shower. Yeah, that's the routine. So this is oops, the deck. Last night was so dark. So cold because it's winter. So this is the outside couch, and this is the area where you know, you eat out if you don't want to go out there, spend money in the restaurant. And this is the DC inverter, heater and AC. Now this is what's in front of us. They're building a I think there must be an apartment there they're still building, but hey, that's fine, that's okay. And this is the outside couch. Hi. You can't control the situation. You just have to enjoy. I have to put my makeup on because I don't have makeup, as you can see. You know, if you're a woman, you understand what I'm saying. Makeup is very important because it takes 10 years of your age to become 10 years younger. Guys, we are leaving. It's okay. Okay, Adam, you go first. Sorry. It's so that's sorry. We're going to ground floor. It's only walking down, but no, we're too lazy. Going downstairs. When we arrive here, it's no vacancy, it's fully booked. Yeah, car's so dirty, need a washed. You open this one for me, please. Key on floor. It's only so today, before we're heading home, we're going somewhere else. But that's fine because I'm ready for it. So we're right up there. Second and third. Yeah. Yeah, we are out of here. That's the apartment right there. Bye bye apartment.